Ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? First, let's talk about why we yawn. It's actually pretty interesting. One theory is that when we take a deep breath during a yawn, it helps cool our brain, which keeps us alert. It's kind of like the fans on a computer. Now, why do we yawn when we see someone else do it? That's because of something called mirror neurons. These special brain cells fire up both when we yawn and when we see someone else yawn. It's like our brain is copying what it sees. These mirror neurons are located in areas of the brain involved in motor control and social behavior, like the premotor cortex and the inferior parietal lobe. So there you go.